Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Balcony Roots channel. Here is a very cute and very nice update that I want to share about my Balcony Roots garden. What happened is every time I cook, especially whenever I cook the beans, what I do is I just look for beans which looks very fat, and it might have very good fat seeds. So I just de-seed them and I sow them on into the mud. Okay, and one such seed I can see is sprouting. So very soon I think I will have some beans growing in my Balcony Roots channel. So today while I was cooking, I again got some more seeds like this. I know this is not the perfect one, because they say you need to get the dried seed which is a little more thicker in size, but this is just an experiment which I keep trying with everything that I find in my kitchen. Now these I would say these are methods which I do because when you don't want to spend too much on seeds, and sometimes you may have the concern whether they will sprout or not. So just keep experimenting. It's nice to see when they germinate. So I have a few beans seeds here which I'm going to sow, and then let us see how they grow. So I'll just make a little dent here, put the seed in and cover it with mud. That's it. Don't sow the seeds too much deep into the soil because they may not be able to germinate easily. So we'll just go one by one. Just one more. Okay, another one I'll put it here. I don't have any particular point, I'm just randomly placing them, and I would love to see some sprouts coming out. So I will put the seeds today. Let's see, as and when they come out I will share the update. Try to place the seeds in a little distance so that once they germinate we will not be able to move them too much. So even if they are growing, they can grow happily. So that's it. I have just sowed a few seeds. Let's see how they grow. There is one here. Yeah, this one I'll just push it a little in, and this one is sprouting right now. This I had done like 2-3 days back, or rather a week you can say, and I am seeing this one sprouting. So let's see how it goes. That's it for now. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Balcony Roots. Thank you. Bye bye.